What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. It is Pokestocks here. In this episode, we have so much to cover with Prismatic Evolutions, Surging Sparks getting restocked at Costco's, to massive reprints. So much is happening in the current market. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. This is sort of your daily market update from your boy. Let's dive right into this. So I do not want to waste any time. I want to show you guys this post right here. Notify has just posted huge restocks, Costco grand openings. Before I even elaborate any further, what would you guys do to have two full pallets of Prismatic and Surging and Prismatic? Like, if you guys saw this, how would you react? I don't even know. I think I would pass out if I walked into a Costco and I saw 1,000 Prismatic ETBs. Yeah, I think I would fall apart. Like, honestly, bro, I don't even know what I would do. But I'm bringing this up because these have been getting reported, guys. Prismatic Evolutions, Surging Sparks, massive amounts. I mean, look at this, bro. This is one store. That's like 2 pallets of Prismatic, man. I think that's 3. I don't even know, bro. It's just an absurd amount, and this is honestly crazy. Guys, I don't even know what to say. This is so overwhelming to like the fact of how much is getting released out there right now, and I don't even know. Now, I'm gonna make it pretty clear. I'll talk more about this, like about, you know, is this really gonna crash the market? Like, I'll elaborate on that. But I just want to bring this up because this is the hot topic of today. I also do want to bring in, regarding Costco again, we have the new Mega Charizard X UPC coming to Costco online, question mark. So as you can see right here, Costco, we have the 2 official promo cards. And I honestly do think that this is going to be the most printed UPC in modern market, Pokemon, whatever you want to call it. So I do think, guys, that even if you cannot get it at MSRP or Costco prices, you could probably get this for a very, very sweet deal on the third party. But of course, we'll check back on that as time goes on. Moving on forward, I want to talk about Prismatic Evolutions, as that's sort of what we briefly talked about, and sort of bring up how the set is currently performing. We have the ETB, which in the past month has seen 1% of gain. However, we've crashed down to 133. I should not even say the word crash, forgive me. We've seen a little bit of a drop in price to 133 from around 136 the day before, 133. The all-time high this month was preaching almost 140. The all-time low was 128. So we have definitely seen gains where we started to where we are now. If we check the most recent sales, 130, 138, 138, 130. We also have the Prismatic Evolution booster bundles coming down as well to around 56. The all-time low this month was 52. The all-time high was around 64. So we're starting to see that continue to fall. And regarding this picture, just to briefly bring it up one more time, do I think that this is going to crash Prismatic Evolutions? No, it's not. We're not really going to see too much happen because I do want to make it pretty clear. These are the grand openings. So the newer Costco's in the area have only been receiving these shipments, but it's still really, really cool to see that we're actually still receiving the Prismatic booster bundle / ETB. So continue to possibly see more of these in the near future. And I'm going to make it pretty clear, if Costco or Pokemon decide to do a massive run with these booster bundle ETB bundles again, I do think this is probably the cheapest the ETBs will ever go, because they took a massive hit from like 150 to 100, and they're currently at 130, so they might drop to $80 in ETB, which would be honestly insane. That's just using the previous cycle, so that would be awesome. Also, I do want to include how the Costco Pokemon bundle is performing right now. It's actually seeing some pretty strong gain, up 6%. And if we take a broad look at the past year, we could see that the all-time low for this product was around 147, and it's just seen the massive surge up to where it's now at around $200. Now, I know I'm going to get this asked, do I think you should be picking these up for $200 or selling them? Well, what is going on right now? I'm going to make it pretty clear. If you guys walk into a Costco and you see these and you are able to pick up 2 of them, whatever the limit is, I would highly recommend selling them right now, because the margins for these are super high. These are at peak all-time highness, and I do think that these are going to fall in the near future just due to ETB and booster bundle reprints in the near future. That can definitely happen. So if you do find these for $55, flip them, make 150, do what you want. That's just the smart thing to do. If you're in this hobby for the long term, then I think holding is also totally fine. But of course, if you're in this for the scalping, then L-mans. And yeah. Moving on forward, I do want to bring up Mega Evolution. Again, this set is continuing to take a hit. We currently have the booster box, the enhanced version, going to $259 this month, currently down 21%. I'm bringing up Mega because I'm still so passionate and still so bearish on this set that is going to collapse. I do think that this is going to be one of the few sets moving on into 2026 and even 2027 that's still going to be in print and still going to be in cycle. We also do have the ETBs crashing. I could say that word. I really could, guys, because if we look at the past month, or the past 3 months, that's better, down 45%. We are attending a new all-time low, about to go beyond the $80 mark, which is going to be a really, really cool experience. So we're going to see ETBs drop to around 79, new history mark right there. We also do have a lot of the singles continuing to fall. For example, the Mega Absol in the past month down 4%, going to around $96. We also, if I were to click on, I'm curious, what's Lucario at right now? Let's see this. Currently down, it's calling it neutral this month, which is kind of awesome, but past 3 months, obviously down 24%. Not too accurate because that is pre-sale pre-sale prices. But regarding nearly everything else in the sealed realm, even the Pokemon Center ETBs, those are continuing to take the massive hit, as well as the booster bundles down $50 to $48. Regarding another thing that's going on in the market, we also have the 151 mini tin drop. As a lot of you know, this has been released supposedly. I have not seen any confirmations in terms of people in the Discord tagging me saying, Pokestocks, I managed to get these online. So let me know if you guys were able to pick this up. I'm kind of interested to see, because I've not had any confirmations yet that these were released on Tuesday, which was yesterday. So I don't know, I just find it kind of interesting. But regarding all of this, I want to show you guys how the current prices are looking for these. So I looked them up 151 tins. I couldn't find the Sam's Club variant. Most likely speaking, it is not out yet officially in terms of people actually having them in their hands. So we really can't see that on TCG Player. But I looked them up on eBay, and it looks like a lot of these listings are going for around $100, $105, $100, $120. We even have one sale right here, $150, and this actually looks to be a valid product image. So if we do click on this, yeah, so I have no idea if this is actually like a real image of the person who purchased it, because it looks very, very blurry and totally photoshopped. But we have this listing at 150, 53 people watching this. Now, if I actually had to make this pretty valid in terms of where do I actually see this product being worth, I do think that this is going to be a $100 product off the gate. And I do think that these are probably going to fall to around $90 or even $80, and a lot of people are going to scoop them up. Now, do I think that this product right here is going to be a play of the year? No, not necessarily. I know it is 151, and it might be the truly last 151 official product reprint of 2025. Speculation going on right now that we're going to have a 151 reprint along with every other Scarlet and Violet set heading into the holidays. That's still a debate in the air. But there's so many other better products out there, guys, like the Mega Charizard UPC, the Blooming Waters. Like, those are all the top tier products of this entire year. This is probably more so of a top 15 to top 10 play. It's just the only reason why it's up in that top 10 spot is just because it is 151, and it is because it's the end of 2025, so it is very, very dry. But regarding all this information, I do not think that this is a product you should go crazy for. But I do think if you have a Sam's Club by you, or you have the time, go online, pick these up at MSRP. I think having one or two of them is totally fine. Again, it's not going to be the best product of the year, but it's definitely worth something having in your collection. And I always like to say this, whatever product you can get at MSRP, I highly recommend picking that up. Now, lastly, before we end off this video, I want to bring up, guys, the new price rises in GameStop. I brought this up, I believe, 2 days ago, and I went into depth how GameStop is really starting to become the scalper. And I got a lot of comments, a lot of feedback saying, Pokestocks, regarding all this GameStop stuff that's going on in the market, if you really do think about it, they actually are truly scalpers. And I agree, guys. GameStop is GameStop isn't even a store anymore that's worth going to. I highly recommend that even if you guys have a GameStop near you or whatever the case may be, pass on it. Don't even waste your time. These are way too saturated prices. $240 for a booster box with tax, with everything. You're most likely going to be paying $265. ETBs are most likely going to be $80 with tax and everything, guys. There's no reason why you should be paying that right now. You know, if we check the current price of Mega Evolution booster boxes, they're currently down at $260. You are literally almost paying the exact same price if these continue to fall as GameStop without wasting 2 to 3, 4, 5 hours of your time outside. So I just like to throw that out there because I know a lot of people are really pissed about it, and I totally agree, guys. This is a complete BS move from GameStop, but at the end of the day, they are a company, so they are going to do whatever it takes. And let me tell you one thing, people are going to be buying this stuff. So yeah, call me crazy, but it's going to happen, guys. It is going to happen. Now, that's going to be it for this video. I always try to keep you guys updated with everything that's going on regarding new products getting released, restocks, and so much more. But let me know what you think in the comments about this huge restock at Costco grand openings. I want to hear what you guys have to say. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.